Hello there, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you step-by-step method on how to achieve this statement sleeve. If you would love to know how, make sure you watch this video to the end and subscribe. So for the width I use 31.5 inches and for the length I use 19 inches, but because I already pressed the M, you are seeing 17 there, but it is 19 inches that I use. So make sure you press the hem as shown in the video and then join the right sides together and go to the sewing machine and stitch. So the next thing, it is supposed to look like this, like a sack. So turn the right side out as you see me doing, and then make sure if you want to iron press at this moment, you can go ahead. The next step is draping. Make sure you leave at least half an inch to where we joined together earlier and drape as you can see me doing. So I'm going to do that now and then pushing the pointy edgy inside. As you can see, this is turning out so beautiful. The next thing is to unstitch the drape together. So after doing that, it should look like this. And the purpose of the half inch we left earlier is to be able to tack the sleeve to the dress. After attaching the sleeve to the dress, this is what it looks like now. It turns out so beautiful. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe.